Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is another installment on making this pattern. I've got this grid marked locked, and I've got my blue grouped so I can move it out of the way. This one's not grouped, but I can grab it now and I can group it, and you'll see why in just a second. So now with the nudge distance, we can move that right back. With that one selected, I can go, well, take it back. Let's don't do that. Let's don't duplicate it. Let's clone it. Now, cloning makes it a little bit more difficult for rotating for some reason. Sometimes you have to take the handles and start it moving, and then you can rotate it that 45 degrees. And then you could control D and see it gets off. So a lot of times you'll have to go and remove your circle and make a duplicate and then rotate it 90 degrees and then continue around, and it should. I'm just hitting Control D. So what that did, now that this is grouped, we can clone it, and we can move the rotation to the center, and we can move it 45 degrees, and you'll see why in just a second. Control D, and this time it's working perfectly. And what's good about this, let's unlock this now, and it is grouped together so we can unlock it and move it. Let's just move it out of the way. We have this pattern now, and you can keep going. And then if you wanted to change the color of the pattern, because this one is a control curve, we can change it to yellow, and it makes all of them yellow. And along with the green, it's a control curve, and we can make it red. And you could continuously making your pattern different if you wanted to. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.